Hey everybody, it is Maddie here with Altcoin Buzz with you on this Sunday, and today we're going to be discussing Bakkt, which, if you're keeping track, is less than 48 hours away. September 23rd is right around the corner. We'll be discussing that on altcoinbuzz.io. And then we're talking about Uptrend, where Altcoin Buzz has taken up a presence in the beta version of this platform. We're excited to share what it is we're doing on that platform, and it's very much a crowdsourced endeavor in that we're asking you all members of the Altcoin Buzz Army what you'd like to hear, what it is you'd like to talk about and explore in this space. So we'll explore some of the capabilities together and certainly get your opinions on how we can best represent ourselves on Uptrend if you're willing to share those, as well as a creative note here from the co-founder of Altcoin Buzz, Shash. And then finally today, back on altcoinbuzz.io, we're discussing Ripple's recent partnership with two new banks, article there by Rachel. So a lot is happening as usual, and we'll discuss first of all the state of the market, which is down marginally 0.35% today at 265 billion total market cap. Bitcoin dominance edging up ever so slightly at 67.7%. At the time of this recording, Bitcoin is absolutely flat at just above 10K, $10,004.92. Other alts are a little bit down by a percentage point or two, again, at the time of this recording. All right, so Bakkt is 48 hours away, less than that at this time actually, and McAfee has already begun commenting. Article here by Rachel. In less than 2 days' time, Bakkt will go live. Prominent figures were quick to comment, including, of course, John McAfee. The promise of Bakkt collectively seems to be that it will open up the crypto market to a lot of institutions and by extension institutional wealth. At least that's what many of us, including myself, would like to think. So it's almost here, and everyone, including McAfee, is hoping its emergence will help speed up the next major Bitcoin bull period. And as we saw a moment ago, Bitcoin is hovering just above that 10K support level, and it's been in that space, let's be honest, for a few weeks now. The movement has been relatively boring, not as volatile as we're used to, and some analysts are suggesting we're going to see an end to that on September 23rd with the launch of Bakkt's Bitcoin futures. In a recent tweet, McAfee, the omnipresent crypto analyst, pointed out that the launch of Bakkt could catalyze global crypto adoption. In his tweet, he, however, made a mistake about the date, as the platform goes live on Monday, not Sunday, as McAfee stated. He did make sure to state that to a certain extent, Bakkt will undermine the libertarian movement. He tweeted specifically, quote, "Bakkt goes live tomorrow. It is an institutionalized exchange, so I won't be using it, but institutions will feel a level of trust that they had not had. It could jumpstart crypto adoption, but remember, it is the opposite of freedom's movement." I don't know if it's the polar opposite. That seems a little bit extreme in my opinion, but I get what he's saying. It's perhaps a more corporate arm of what has otherwise been a very libertarian-esque movement. Tom Lee also tweeted the following concerning Bakkt on the 19th of September. "I am very positive on Bakkt and its ability to improve trust with institutions toward crypto." And of course, Bakkt is currently supported by institutions like Microsoft, Starbucks, and others. I don't think it's going to have enough strength to single-handedly support the catalyzation of this industry on its own, talking about Bakkt as maybe the McAfees of the world are suggesting, but overall it's good news, and let's see what happens. Let us know your comments as always below and your thoughts and opinions as well. So here on uptrend.com, we're letting you know that Altcoin Buzz has taken up a position on Uptrend, and Uptrend is a beta platform. Basically, the description is right here. It's designed to redistribute wealth from corporations to individuals, a site that empowers content creators to thrive through creating digital content. So we're poking around and toying around with it, and we really enjoy the versatility and the utility of the platform. Again, it's just a beta so far, but we have really been having a good time, and we've been getting a very positive response from you all members of the Altcoin Buzz Army that already find yourselves on Uptrend. So here you have it. Ask us anything in the comments. We are new here, so let us know what you think would be best to post on Uptrend. Here is a small sampling of what we have posted to Uptrend so far. Again, our numbers are relatively modest, but we plan to expand our presence here as time goes by. If you're already an Uptrend user, just search for us, Altcoin Buzz, on the platform. And here's a quick editorial piece of sorts written by our co-founder, Shashwat. So we've now been on Uptrend for 24 hours and have played around with almost all of the available features, even though this is a beta and it's a bit slow at the moment, it is one of the better working products in the crypto space with very interesting token utility and gamification. So expect us to cover some of what we've already been covering on YouTube and in other spaces. We're going to be discussing projects like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, enjin, mcocrypto.com, BNB, Wabi, High Performance Blockchain, and Tomo Chain. The reason is because we've spent so many countless hours already testing these projects, using them, researching them. Shash likes the fact that Uptrend is bootstrapped, has an amazing team, the fact that there is no token price, and the fact that the product works great. The community and users are vibrant, intelligent, and give the platform a very pleasant vibe. So we have literally been on Uptrend for about 24 hours or so. But again, if you're in this space already, do be sure to follow us. You can also keep track of us with these other coordinates here, Altcoin Buzz IO. Of course, here's the link to our website, our YouTube, and you can also check out Shash on Twitter directly. And in one of our posts on Uptrend, again, this is a bit more of a blog format than a news article per se, but why Bitcoin facts, Altcoin Buzz? Bitcoin? Shouldn't you talk about altcoins, hence the name, right? This all goes back to Laszlo Hayek, who bought a couple of pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin about 10 years ago. The Bitcoin pizza was worth $101 million by today's standards. And of course, this story explains how someone buying pizza with 10,000 Bitcoin in retrospect is not exactly a fun fact. But it's not the story that shames this individual for buying pizza with 10,000 Bitcoin, because there is no learning possible from that conclusion. Rather, it's an important story because it marks the monumental and exponential growth of this space and the development therein. So in essence, what do Bitcoin's facts and history have to do with altcoins? Well, just about everything, actually. And the reason for that is because Bitcoin is not particularly easy for everyone to understand. And what Shash believes here is that if one doesn't understand Bitcoin deeply enough, know its history, read its white paper, or be on top of the news with regulatory updates, while knowing more about Bitcoin's economic consequences and understanding the real strength behind its network, etc., is obviously going to be an advantage. And so Shash recommends highly that we all do that before first investing in altcoins. Because Bitcoin is hard to explain and understand, Ethereum, by logical extension, is even harder to explain and understand, and most other alts even more so. So in a nutshell here, what we're trying to say is the easy way to make money in crypto is to buy Bitcoin and to do nothing. To invest in altcoins, however, you need to know how to research, how to understand trends, business modeling, marketing, use cases, value proposition, community, economics, speculation, and adoption. Both, however, can be profitable. So let us know, guys, if you like this kind of content and would like to see more opinionated pieces and ideas on fundamental investing in crypto, please let us know in the comments below. Again, this article is brought to us courtesy of Shash. Back to the website now for this quick update. Ripple partners with two banks, article brought to us by Rachel. Popular payment protocol Ripple has partnered with two new banks, which may explain some of the speculation we've seen and some of the sudden price spikes with regards to Ripple. In a recent update by Ripple, the banks are Interbank from Peru and Vitesse from the UK. The platform has also recently uploaded a list of active users on its website. It contained companies like MoneyGram, TransferGo, Golance, Instarem, SendFriend, and Mercury FX. Concerning the two new banks that they just partnered with, Interbank was founded by Elias Musics in 1897 and is located in Lima, the country's capital, talking about Peru. The bank currently has assets worth $4 billion. Many know it as the Peruvian provider of financial services and will provide users with ATM services and change machines. These machines facilitate the exchange of notes for crypto. The other bank is Vitesse. Its launch took place in 2013, and it will provide cross-border payment services to the banks using a globally distributed
And this partnership
seems to be a good fit because both banks execute international payments, and therefore that is really up Ripple's alley in terms of the strategy they are trying to pursue. The main purpose of these partnerships is to create awareness for the XRP token and to ensure fast overseas payments. For all the Ripple fans out there, let us know if you are excited about these developments in the comments below. That's pretty good news, so kudos to Ripple on the new partnership agreements. And that about rounds it out for today, everybody. Do be sure you are following us on all the regular social media channels and keep checking back into altcoinbuzz.io for all the latest, as well as Uptrend as we discussed today. If you all enjoyed this video, go ahead, like, subscribe, share, hit the bell to receive notifications. All the best of luck if you choose to invest on this Sunday. We hope to see you again tomorrow for coverage of Bakkt's launch September 23rd. But until then, enjoy the tail end of your weekend, and we do hope to see you again soon in that next video. Take care.